What's up, guys? Welcome back to the GeForce Lefty channel. And today I got a brand new keyboard called the EPOMAKER GK68XS. And I'm going to be customizing it because it is a hot swap keyboard. I'm going to be customizing it, putting my own switches in. And basically, I'm just going to put these Novel Key Cream switches in place of those Gateron Reds and change the keycaps to those. It's going to look pretty cool. I'll see you whenever I get the key switches in. All right, we just got all the key switches on. I'm gonna leave the ones on the edges as the reds, and now we just gotta put the keycaps on. See you when that's done. What's up, guys? I just got all the keycaps set on, and it's looking pretty good. Let's give a sound test of the Novel Key Creams. Alright, guys, that's the keyboard. If you guys want to see an updated setup review, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to show you guys. And thanks for watching this video. GeForce Lefty out.